Hello guys, welcome to CGeeks. Today we have an amazing trick to find out age, date, months and years in MS Excel. If you have already not subscribed our channel, please like our videos and subscribe Computer Geeks. So working on Excel sheets, if you have lots of data, there is always hard to find out age, days, months and years in MS Excel. Today we have bring an amazing formulas to find out very easily and quickly. So first of all, we have random Excel sheet which contains ID, names and date of birth. Day, this will find day of the date of birth. Month of the date of birth. Year of the date of birth, and total age in months and days and years. So first of all, we will have a look for the first formula, this one. If you need to find out day, then equal sign, text, cell address on which you want to apply this formula, then value, 4 times value. Let's have a look. We are going to find out equal sign, text formula, brackets, cell address on which you want to apply this one, then comma, double commas, sorry for, so in inverted commas you need to press 4 times D, then press enter. Simply let's have a look in function bar, equal sign for formula bar, formula, text, then on specific cell which contains date of birth, this one, then inverted comma and then inverted double commas and 4 times D for days, and then hit enter. This will find out the exact day of that date of birth. Then we are going to apply for whole date of birth, whole row. So Smith born on Monday, Cavill on Saturday, and that's so on. In this way, for month we are going to find out month of the date of birth, equal sign, text, bracket, small bracket, then select the cell, comma, double commas, then now 4 times M for month, double commas and then bracket close. So hit enter. So this is April, born on April. So in this way we are dragging. So Jordan born on April, September. In this way you can find out the exact month of the date of birth. Then we are going to find out the exact year. Sorry, text, for time, year, Y for year, then commas and then Now this has simply find out the exact year separated from date of birth. In this way you can find out the exact year of that date of birth. So we have here day, then month and then year separated from date of birth. After that we need to find out the exact age of the person as per today. So we will have formula, this one DATEDIF. Simply I will copy this formula. I will also paste this link into description. You can copy from video description. I will simply copy it. I'll explain shortly. First I need to apply this formula. I will paste here the exact formula. So 21 years, 9 months and 28 days as per today. This is the complete age of the person. So we are going to little bit explain this. DATEDIF is a function. Then E2, the cell. You need to type the exact cell which contains first exact cell. Now E for column and 2 for row. This is the exact address which is highlighted to. Then today for today function. So you can calculate. Then Y for years. This will calculate year. This one 21 years. Then and sign, years after years. This will calculate exact the same formula, ym for months and then months, and DATEDIF for days. In this way you can calculate md for days. Simply the difference is md, ym and y. So we will apply for whole row, column, sorry. So everyone has a different age. In this way you can find out the exact age with year, months and days. Suppose if you want to find out just years or months, simply you need to eliminate the days portion DATEDIF. I have discarded and press enter. Now we have just 21 years and 9 months. If you want to discard the months portion and find out just years, just discard the DATEDIF portion for the months. And also we will now we have just remaining 21 years. In this way you can find out the exact years. Now these contain just years. Thanks guys for watching and learning. Please like our videos and subscribe our channel.